All right, driver, you are clear to back into Bay 3. We have you on the monitor.
All right, next 3 coming down the ramp.
I'll take Ringo Air.
Easy, boy. Make sure they stay in the center lane.
The dispensers are running smoothly. Confirmed. The bulls are hydrating well. The flow rate on Unit 3 is slightly elevated.
I noticed. The filtration system seems stable, though.
Very thorough work. The coat is spotless and the bull is calm.
All right, verification complete. Proceed to the unloading bay.
Seals checked and confirmed. Everything is in order. Keep it coming back slowly.
All right, this pallet is secure.
Confirmed. Inventory updated.
Are the heating coils holding steady?
Yes, Supervisor. We've reached the required temperature of 100 Celsius, verified on the main panel.
Smooth and uniform, just as expected. Data confirms the temperature is optimal for the next phase. The inspection is complete. Everything shows green, including the motor and valves.
Excellent. We are ready for mixing.
The flow rate looks steady now?
And the temperature is optimal. We can proceed.
The measurement is precise, matching the formula.
Confirmed.
Approved. Move to production.
Ingredients loaded. Okay, gauges look good. Starting the mix cycle.
The viscosity is holding steady right at the target. Flawless integration. We are operating at peak efficiency. Sample confirms optimal purity, Supervisor.
Batch 4 confirmation. The levels are optimal. We are ready for transfer, Supervisor.
As you can see, the mixing temperature is stable at 45. The batch status is almost complete.
Understood. The color looks perfectly uniform now.
Fragrance and texture are perfect on this sample.
Viscosity levels are holding steady, Supervisor. Workers collect multiple samples from different tank locations. Laboratory technicians perform comprehensive quality tests. Color,
The fill levels look consistent on the last batch.
Confirmed. The uniformity is exactly on target.
The dimensions are within tolerance.
appearance looks good, proceeding to packaging.
Standards check, ladies. Everything aligned?
Yes, sir. We're keeping a close eye on the embossing.
The production records are finalized, and the count is confirmed. This shipment is ready for market.
Yes, this meets the quality standard. You can proceed with this batch.
Workers use soft polishing wheels and cloths to achieve a glossy finish. The horn pieces develop a natural shine.
We are following the specifications exactly, madam. Very good. The finish on these is excellent. You may proceed with the assembly.
The symmetry here is perfect.
The polished horn elements are positioned exactly right.
Yes, the craftsmanship is exquisite.
Checklist confirmed, Supervisor. Excellent. The finish is flawless.
The craftsmanship is exquisite. You've done a wonderful job preparing these, and we can approve this batch for immediate shipment.